start.
And so, in this video, I tell you how to program the smart key to this main unity. This working. Two smart key not working. I show you. This on. This on, no response. On. This on. Nothing. Net. Nothing. Net. Nothing. Okay. Now I tell you how to learn two smart keys to this main unity. Firstly, unlock, flashing, okay, blinking, and then second step, open the cardot. This is negative. You open the cardot just like this. This side touch the ground. When you touch the ground, open the cardot and this turn light will flash. Flash your car will flashing, and then hold the brakes for the brake. Hold the brake. Lastly, press it for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 sirens sounds off. 1, 2, yes. Okay, now I remove side for the brake. Okay, unlock. Let me repeat the learning method. Firstly, disarm. Secondly, open the cardot just like this. Side touch the ground, negative, touch ground, and at this time, your car turn light will flash, blinking. Thirdly, you hold the brake for the brake. Use this orange and black touch the 12 pole like this. Lastly, press this reset button 6 times. At this time, this button will be off. Light will be off. And the siren will make 2 times. It is off. It means learning status. And at this time, press any button of the smart key. Learning is successful. Okay. Can you do like this? Thank you.